Do you want to make money from YouTube videos? While earning thousands of dollars off the bat probably isn't realistic, for most people, you can start getting paid quickly, especially if you have a strong subscriber base. Once you've created your channel and built your audience, you can monetize your videos in your YouTube Studio dashboard. Additionally, you can use Google AdSense to provide additional income from your videos. This how will show you how to get started making money off YouTube regardless of where you're starting. Set up your channel. Your channel is your personal presence on YouTube. Each YouTube account has one channel attached to it. A YouTube account is the same as a Google account, and creating a YouTube account will grant you access to other Google products, such as Gmail and Drive. Add great content. Try to upload content that is high quality and isn't super long. This option can vary depending on what type of content you decide to upload. The more engaging your content, the better your chances at earning money on YouTube. Meet the requirements. You need at least 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers to start earning money on YouTube. Monetize your videos. In order to start earning money on your videos, you'll need to enable monetization. This means you are allowing YouTube to place ads in your video. This also means that you acknowledge that there is no copyrighted material in your video. Set up Google AdSense. You can set up Google AdSense for free at the AdSense website. Click the Sign Up Now button to begin creating your account. You must be 18 years or older to create your own account. If you are younger than that, you will need an adult to help you. Gain an audience. Building an audience is key to making money on YouTube. You need people to watch your ads in order to make any money off of them. There is no one secret to getting more subscribers. Just make the best content that you can and they will come to you. Become a YouTube partner. YouTube partners are YouTube members who have monetized videos with a large number of viewers. Partners gain access to more content creation tools and can win prizes for the number of viewers they have. Partners also get access to much more community support and tips. Market your videos elsewhere. Don't put your videos just on YouTube. Start a blog, make a website, or post them on other video or social media sites. The more views it gets, the better. By sharing the link or embedding the video on the internet, you are increasing the chance of it getting noticed.